Motivation is a crucial ingredient for success in any area of life, whether it's personal or professional. However, it can often be challenging to stay motivated, especially when faced with setbacks and obstacles. That's why understanding the 6 keys to motivation and how to implement them is essential for achieving your goals. The first key to motivation is setting specific and challenging goals. It's essential to have a clear target to work towards, as this helps you stay focused and motivated. When setting goals, it's crucial to make them as specific as possible, so you know exactly what you're working towards. For example, instead of setting a goal to get fit, you could set a goal to run a 5K in under 30 minutes. Specific goals provide clarity and direction, making it easier to take action towards achieving them. It's also important to make your goals challenging enough to inspire you to take action. When goals are too easy, they can become mundane, and you may lose motivation to pursue them. On the other hand, if your goals are too challenging, you may become overwhelmed and discouraged. It's about finding the right balance between challenge and achievability. The second key to motivation is finding your why. Understanding the reasons behind why you want to achieve your goals gives you a sense of purpose and helps you stay motivated, even when faced with challenges. Take some time to reflect on why your goals are important to you. Write down the reasons and keep them somewhere you can see them regularly as a reminder. When you connect your goals to your deepest desires, it makes them more meaningful and gives you the drive to keep going. The third key to motivation is creating a plan. Breaking your goals down into smaller, manageable tasks can help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and stay on track. Consider using a planner or calendar to help you stay organized and on top of your progress. By having a plan in place, you can feel confident and in control of your journey, which will keep you motivated to keep going. The fourth key to motivation is taking action. Taking action towards your goals, even if it's just a small step, can help you build momentum and create a sense of progress. Celebrating small wins along the way can also help keep you motivated. When you start taking action towards your goals, you're demonstrating to yourself that you're committed to achieving them, which will keep you motivated and inspired. The fifth key to motivation is surrounding yourself with support. Having a support system can provide encouragement, motivation, and accountability. Seek out people who believe in you and your goals and who can offer you a listening ear and support when you need it. You can also seek out mentors or coaches who can offer guidance and support. When you surround yourself with positive and supportive people, it makes it easier to stay motivated and focused on your goals. The final key to motivation is staying positive. Maintaining a positive attitude and mindset, even in the face of setbacks and obstacles, can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Practicing self-care, such as getting enough sleep and exercise, can also help you stay energized and motivated. Remember that setbacks are a natural part of any journey, and it's essential to remain positive and keep moving forward. Focus on your progress and celebrate each small win along the way, and you'll stay motivated and inspired to keep going. In conclusion, understanding the 6 keys to motivation and how to implement them is essential for achieving your goals. Setting specific and challenging goals, finding your why, creating a plan, taking action, surrounding yourself with support, and staying positive are all critical components of a successful motivation strategy. By implementing these keys, you'll be able to stay motivated and achieve your goals, no matter how challenging they may seem.
You